Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to track your dropshipping business in Airtable, your full guide for 2025. First up, open Airtable and create a new base for your dropshipping business. This will be your central command for all things dropship related. This setup step is important because it gives you a dedicated space to track your business progress. Next up, let's create several tables inside your base. Each table should represent a different aspect of your business, such as orders, products, or customers. This helps us because it allows for detailed tracking of each segment of your business. Now that we've done that, it's time to fill in the fields in each table. For example, in your orders table, you can have fields like order number, product, customer, date, and status. The reason we do this is to have all the necessary data at our fingertips, helping us make informed decisions about our business. Next, use Airtable's Views feature to create custom views for your tables. For instance, you could have a pending orders view or a top-selling products view. This helps us because it offers a quick glance at specific aspects of our business without having to sift through all the data. Let me explain why this matters. By efficiently using Airtable, you're creating a system for your dropshipping business that allows you to monitor everything in one place. You can track order progress, identify best-selling products, keep track of your customers, and so much more. Now, to wrap things up, remember, create a base, set up your tables, fill in your fields, and utilize views. By following these steps, you'll be able to keep a pulse on your dropshipping business like never before. This is a powerful way to stay organized, informed, and ready to grow your business in 2025 and beyond.